Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke guys, balik lagi bersama saya di channel Isu Kreatif yang isi kontennya campuran asal-asalan yang penting dapat cuan. Oke guys, di video kali ini saya ingin berbagi cara membuat shutdown ataupun slip ataupun layar kunci. Jadi kita tidak perlu lagi jadi kita tidak perlu lagi ingin mematikan laptop itu melalui klik shutdown, power ataupun slip, shutdown ataupun restart. Jadi di video kali ini saya akan berbagi tutorial cara membuat shutdown. Bagaimana caranya? Simak saja videonya. Dan untuk kalian yang baru saja mampir di channel Isu Kreatif, jangan lupa subscribe, like, share, and comment. Oke guys, langsung saja ke tutorial.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not.
Oke, dan hasilnya seperti ini. Tinggal kita klik 2 kali, komputer kita akan mati ataupun shutdown. Oke guys, mungkin sampai sini tutorial yang bisa saya sampaikan kepada kalian. Semoga tutorial ini bermanfaat untuk kalian. Oke, terima kasih atas waktunya dan kesempatannya sudah mampir untuk menonton channel saya. Terima kasih banyak. Saya akhiri dengan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.